I practice English alone every day. Hello everyone. Today is day 45 of my English speaking challenge, and today I'm going to share with you about I practice alone English. Uh, is it enough for me or not? So today I'm going to share with you is practice uh, myself like without any partner, is it enough or not? So every day I practice along with me and my mobile phone. I use I use my mobile phone for my practice English. I record myself, and in this way I practice my daily English speaking practice because I don't have any partner to talk with in English, and because of that, sometimes in my minds it it comes like, is it enough to practice alone, or I need partners to for practice? But I think if if you have any partner for speaking English, then it's very good. But if you don't have any partner to speak in English, don't let them go to not speak. Speak or talk to yourself itself. I know you may be take too much time for talking in English, but it's a good thing for you. Like there is a quote, something is better than nothing. So if you not, if you have no any partner and you are not practicing, uh, so for that you practice yourself. It will good for you because if you practice alone, you may take times to speak English, but day by day you can improve yourself. Right now, today I practice my English every day and talk to myself, and that's why I am getting too much confusion in English practice while I am talking. Is it correct, is it not, or is it not correct? I don't know, and no one is here to correcting me what mistakes I have done and what other things I have to correct. But still I practice myself to improve myself. So this is my journey. If you are a beginner, and if you don't, and if you and you have also no partner, then don't leave practice English. You continue your practice with yourself, like talking with yourself. It is best for practice English. So I suggest you to do practice at your home as much as possible. And now the word I learned today is alone and enough. The meaning of alone is by yourself, and the meaning of enough is sufficient. So that's it for today, and see you guys in next video.